Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Operation Eastern Sentry. First of all, let's see why it is in the news. Recently, NATO launched Operation Eastern Sentry after multiple Russian drones violated Polish airspace. The 32-member NATO alliance has described the drone incursions as dangerous and unacceptable. Eastern Sentry marks NATO's strongest defensive mission since the Ukraine conflict, covering the alliance's entire eastern flank from the Arctic to the Black Sea and Mediterranean. Now let's discuss about NATO's role. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization is an intergovernmental military alliance formed in 1949. It was established with the primary goal of providing collective defense against potential aggression, particularly from the Soviet Union during the Cold War era. Over the years, NATO has evolved to address a range of security challenges beyond its original mandate. NATO has expanded since its founding, with new member countries joining in multiple rounds. The alliance currently consists of 32 member countries. NATO's primary mission is collective defense, as outlined in Article 5 of the North Atlantic Treaty. This article stipulates that an attack on one member country will be considered an attack on all, and the members will respond collectively. In addition to collective defense, NATO engages in crisis management activities, including conflict prevention, peacekeeping, and stabilization efforts in various regions around the world. Now let's talk about Operation Eastern Sentry. Objective: to deter Russia and reassure Eastern Flank members by showcasing NATO's collective strength. Scope: runs across Northern Europe to the Black Sea and Mediterranean. Model: inspired by Baltic Sentry. 2024, after undersea cable sabotage. Nature: flexible, rotational deployment, not permanent bases, to keep Russia guessing. Key features: fighter jets, warships, missile defense systems, and advanced radar. Integration of counter-drone technology to respond to Russia's low-cost drone warfare. Enhanced intelligence sharing between NATO capitals. Now lastly, moving on to why Eastern Sentry matters. NATO's collective deterrence reinforces NATO's Article 5 commitment. Strategic adaptation: counter-drone integration highlights responsiveness to new threats. Geopolitical signaling: warns Moscow that probing NATO borders will invite immediate reinforcement. Alliance unity demonstrates solidarity from Arctic to Mediterranean, deterring further escalation. Consider the following statements about NATO. 1. NATO was established in 1949 with its headquarters currently in Brussels, Belgium. 2. Article 5 has been invoked only once in NATO's history, after the 9/11 terrorist attacks in the US. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.